Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this sent me this file. And this is the way to do it. Send me the Corel file and tell me what you want done actually on the file. And he's trying to make this out of a 3mm wood. And if we take the virtual segment or parallel dimension tool and measure it, it's 4mm. So we need to change it 1mm, but this is at an angle. So how do you do that? Well, let's do these first. Let's take the shape tool. This is 4mm too. We'll go ahead and remeasure it just to show you. This is the only thing you have to change in the thickness of the wood, because this is the thickness of the wood. The other cut would be the same done by the laser. So we're going to set he's already done it. He's already set his nudge factor on 1mm. So we can take those two nodes and mirror or hit the right arrow key. And now he didn't have it. He had like 0.1 maybe millimeters. Yeah, so 1mm. Take your shape tool, grab those two nodes and use the right arrow key, and now you have 3mm. Do that to the other side. This is common, this is easy. But what his question was, how does he change these? Well, just by chance, this is a 45-degree angle. So it's actually at 180. I'm going to make it easy and show you a little trick. Take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And then I'm going to move that out of the way. And now if you look, I don't want to make it red for a hairline and make sure it's a hairline for cutting. We can actually get rid of this because this will be the exact same thing. But now you see it's set at 0. So let's rotate it 45 degrees. And see that put this at the top right. Take so here we did it was an inside. So this is a outside or a male part. So we're going to grab those two nodes and just hit the down arrow key. Hit the down arrow key. Now, we've already got it rotated, and now we can just use the left or the right arrow key. So we're going to grab just those two nodes, hit the right arrow key. Right arrow key. Now, if we make this back to 0, we can measure these just to double check that it worked. And you can see it is 3mm. Now, sometimes it's going to be harder because this just happens to be a 45-degree rooftop. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.